everyone. My name is Brittany Shine. Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. It is early in the morning. It is 5:58, almost 6 o'clock in the morning, and I am making the Moringa Delight for two of my lovely customers who have purchased. I just delivered 2 orders to my other customers, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear their feedback. If you have not yet purchased the Moringa Delight, please at least check out the ingredients on the page. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have about the Moringa Delight. So what I would say is, with the Moringa Delight, everybody doesn't need the Moringa Delight, and what I mean by that is if your hair is very thin, like if it's like very straight and thin, or if your hair is very fragile, I wouldn't recommend using the Moringa Delight, simply because it does have mango butter. Mango butter is a light butter, but it's still a hair butter, which means that it works well on heavier hair or thick, coarse hair. And so if you do decide to use the Moringa Delight, I would recommend requesting a sample of the Moringa Delight before you purchase the full Moringa Delight. But if your hair is thick, like my hair is very thick. If you see some of my videos, you know that my hair is thick, coarse, it's full. And so it works very well for my hair. Any type 4 hair, this will work perfect for you. It may even work well on curly hair types as well, 3A, 3B, 3C. And so you just want to make sure that whatever product you choose to apply to your hair, always check your ingredients, and that's with any hair product that you choose to purchase. And so what I am currently working on is a hair growth oil. This works for all hair types, okay? So you can have thin hair, you can have straight hair, curly hair, thick fro, afro, curly hair. You can have any hair type. This hair growth oil will work well for you. So I can't wait to release it to you all, but for right now I'm just focusing on one at a time. So the reason why I chose the Moringa Delight is because it is packed with all natural ingredients that replaces what you would normally apply to your scalp. It is healthier and it's a lot smoother on your hair and your skin. So you can also apply it to your skin as well. I used to have bad eczema on my arms and on my wrists, my hands, and I don't have any eczema anymore. And I'm not saying that the Moringa Delight was the major cause of that, but using this on my own hair and skin has helped me so much. It is so beneficial, and it helps your hair to grow as well, as it is continuing to help my hair grow. So I love this particular product because it's full of all natural ingredients with the oil, the sweet almond oil and the avocado oil. I've chosen the best ingredients for you all and for myself to have the healthiest ingredients on our hair while making our hair look shiny, healthy, moisturized, like everything you can think of. This is the product to have. So that is why I chose the Moringa Delight. So what I do first is I'll always just apply the butters and the powders. I don't add any oils to the bowl yet, simply because I don't want to overheat the oils unnecessarily. And so now I am going to place the bowl on top of the watery pot and I'm going to melt it on the stove. Let's go. Now we're going to turn on the heat. just gonna let it melt. It's 6:06 right now. We're gonna see how long it takes to melt the entire butter into a liquid form. Stay tuned. So it is now 6:40 and the product is fully melted. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and we're just going to strain the Moringa powder and Fenugreek powder. All right, so this is what it looks like after I have placed my Moringa Delight into the freezer for a little over 30 minutes. And now I'm going to check the temperature. So it looks to me that the temperature is below 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect because that is the exact temperature that I'm looking for. It's 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so that is actually perfect. So after only leaving it in for 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. Perfect. I can press my fingers through it because I don't want it to be rock solid. Otherwise it will not give me a good whip and I would have to remelt the butter again. All right, so now I am going to add my essential oils and carrier oils to the mix, and we're gonna mix it. This is the instructions of how to apply the Moringa Delight. You can apply it to your hair and your scalp, or you can just apply it to your scalp if you just want a scalp moisturizer. But yes, and then this is our goal here, just to give you a little bit of our story, what we're about, and our website, mynaturalhairdelight.com. All of our ingredients are 100% natural with pure quality. And then it has all of the things that it doesn't have, like no sulfates, no chemicals, all of the extra stuff that it doesn't have. It's 100% all natural ingredients, so you definitely want to get your order. Place your order today at mynaturalhairdelight.com/Moringa Delight. Thank you all for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.